Today I'm going to be taking you guys on a tour around campus and explaining to you some of the most interesting spots and some information about them that you can find on the map, and you can do this tour anytime. I definitely would suggest that you guys consult the Summer at Bath website as well for a lot of activities that we've got going on this week. But yeah, I hope you enjoy. I'm starting at the coat of arms that you'll see in a minute. So we're at the University of Bath coat of arms, just in front of 8 West. So the University of Bath was established by a royal charter in 1966 to advance learning and knowledge by teaching and research, particularly in science and technology, and in close association with industry and commerce. The coat of arms was actually designed to signal the new university's identity and a reference to its historic connection to both Bath and Bristol. So I'm standing outside the preliminary building at 4 South. This is actually the first building to be opened at the university. In 1965 it was opened by the Mayor of Bath, and it was to become the new home of biological sciences. Now we're at the Milner Center, and it is named after an alumnus who gave founding capital to establish the centre. An interesting fact about the Milner Center is that actually it has on the adjoining wall a piece of abstract art, that looks like abstract art, but actually it shows the gene sequences going from fish to humans evolution, this process. Hi, so I'm in the TV at the 50th anniversary mural. This was designed to commemorate 50 years, so since 1976, when the university became the first university to offer sports scholarships, and runs through all to like 2012, the Olympic Games, going through all the great sporting achievements that have happened. And I'm just by the lake, and as you can see behind me, there's a fish sculpture. So in 1985 there was a sculpture competition that coincided with Bath Music Festival, and so there were 6 sculptors, and they had 3 weeks to complete their sculptures. One of the winners after this competition, his fish sculpture was then sited at the University of Bath. Okay, so we're at the Lake and Amphitheatre. In designing the open air theatre, Bill Bowen, the university's horticultural officer, aimed to reference the parallel lines of sheep walks and barrows found in the local Cotswold landscape. As part of an invite, them out campus policy, over the years the theatre has been used as a venue for all sorts of formal and not so formal events. So I'm standing outside the library. Pitman Printing Press is inside the library foyer. You can go inside and have a look. The Pitman collection is housed in the library's archives and research collections, and it includes the death mask of Sir Isaac Pitman. He's the inventor of a globally successful shorthand system, as well as a wax cylinder recording of his voice made in 1891. In September of 2007, an 1839 Columbian printing press from Bath Press was added to the collection, and in 2015 it was used by artist in residence Barry Sykes to create colourful works of art inspired by shorthand writing. So I'm just at the back of Westwood. This is the Woodland Walk, goes all the way around campus, and as we know, we've seen quite a lot of birds and ducks in the pond, but there's so much other wildlife on campus. So I mean, woodpeckers, much-eyed deer, carp even in the lake, and buzzards. So I definitely see what other animals or birds you can find on this trail. Thank you guys for coming with me on this tour of campus. I hope you've enjoyed it. This has been part of the Summer at Bath programme. If you want more information about the events that are coming up this week, sign up, and lots of things you don't know how to sign up to, all the dates and timings are on the university's website. Thank you so much, and goodbye.